another journey, another travel for today, day 3 in Safa, and we're gonna go to Pansipan. Say hi to our channel. Nawala ang alok. Lagi ng agad ang Atsiyena. As you can see guys, 11 a.m. in the morning. Sun Plaza. Welcome to Sun Plaza, Vietnam, and it's Halloween season. Peanut Pillar Station, Starbucks. Pala may Starbucks dito sa loob.
Ikaw ayaw mo?
Ito kami sa Sun Plaza Station. Nagki-cable car kami guys. Going to Sun World. And we're gonna enter here with our ticket. So, Pansip. Nasasakay na kami sa Funicular. Samahan niyo kami guys. Petray na kami. Yan.
May bubukas?
Bubuksan yan.
Ah.
Ayan, binuksan yan. Wait. Let's go. What a nice guys. Are you excited? Tagal naman.
Muna lang ako dun na nakaupo dito para makabawi-bawi ka naman.
Sky was foggy. Isang mafog na afternoon to all of you guys, so you can see the real view of Sapa cable car.
what a nice view.
Tenga ko, Bi.
Here up in the sky.
Bansang Vietnam. Ano mo malakas. Yan.